I think, this is the thing I would encourage you guys to do is to check out the different smudge sticks or herb bundles, popularly called smudge sticks, that we have in the Parlor of Wonders, because everybody goes to white sage. Everybody looks to white sage, but white sage is is great, but it's not the only herb bundle that you can burn. There's so many different herbs that you can burn in these bundles, and I like to change it up and do different ones. I've got juniper. We have juniper. We have mountain sage. We have thyme. We have oregano. We have rose petals on sage. We've got eucalyptus. I mean, we have lots and lots and lots of amazing herb bundles that you can burn. Sweetgrass. We've got all kinds of things. So, kind of change it up. Learn mugwort. We've got, oh my gosh, we've got so many different ones. I think we have like 30 different kinds of smudges at the Parlor of Wonders. And I encourage you to try different ones because they all have different fragrances, they all have different purposes, and if you look on them, they'll tell you what they can be used for, what that herb is used for, so you can shop around and look around, and there's some wonderful, wonderful herb bundles, and I like to use different ones. So I use sage maybe 1 out of 20 times I burn an herb bundle. It's not that often. I like using different ones. I like bringing in these different types of herbs and having a different vibe. And so, yeah, I like doing that. And I think it's a wonderful world that we can expand. And rather than just lean on white sage, we can try different things. You can work with Palo Santo. You can work, I mean, there's so many different ones. You can, which isn't a bundle, it's a stick, but still there's so many different fragrant, beautiful herbs that have wonderful different energies, and there's no reason to just limit yourself. I mean, oh my gosh, so many beautiful herbs.